Today, I am reviewing INNOCN 25G2S 24.5-inch 1440p QHD 2K gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The INNOCN 24.5-inch 1440p QHD 2K gaming monitor, Model 25G2S, is an impressive blend of speed, sharpness, and design, making it a solid choice for both gamers and professionals in 2025. Let's break down why this monitor is worth a closer look. First, the most striking feature of the INNOCN 25G2S is its 240Hz refresh rate combined with a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. This means games run extremely smooth, with minimal motion blur and virtually no input lag. For competitive gamers, especially in FPS or RTS genres, this is a game changer. Whether you're tracking fast movement in a shooter or maneuvering through high-paced strategy maps, the visual experience remains fluid and responsive. The QHD 1440p resolution at 24.5 inches gives you a perfect balance of crispness and performance. It delivers sharp visuals without putting excessive strain on your graphics card. The monitor boasts 2560 by 1440 resolution with a 99% sRGB color gamut, ensuring accurate and vivid colors. This makes it not only ideal for gaming but also for work-from-home setups, graphic design, and content creation. Colors pop, contrasts feel deeper, and everything on screen looks more lifelike. A big plus is its IPS panel technology, which offers wide viewing angles up to 178 degrees. This means you can enjoy consistent color and brightness from almost any angle, which is perfect for collaborative work or group gaming sessions. Combined with FreeSync and GSYNC compatibility, it eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, giving gamers a seamless experience across different hardware setups. Connectivity is another strength of the INNOCN 25G2S. It offers both HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, making it compatible with gaming laptops, desktop PCs, consoles like the Nintendo Switch, Xbox Series X, and PlayStation 5. This flexibility means you can use it as a monitor for both work and play, without juggling different devices or cables. The design is sleek and gamer-friendly. It has ultra-narrow, three-sided bezels, which not only look modern but also make multi-monitor setups feel immersive and seamless. The matte screen reduces glare, allowing for better visibility during long gaming or working sessions. It's also VESA mountable, tilt-adjustable, and has a robust build despite weighing only about 7 pounds without the stand. Eye care features are another highlight. The monitor comes with blue light reduction and flicker-free technology, which reduces eye strain during extended use. Whether you're in a marathon gaming session or working late into the night, these features help make your viewing experience more comfortable. Audio-wise, the monitor includes built-in speakers, which is convenient for quick use, though serious gamers may still prefer external speakers or headphones for immersive sound quality. Performance-wise, the INNOCN 25G2S delivers. It supports refresh rates of 120 Hz, 144 Hz, 165 Hz, 180 Hz, and up to 240 Hz, giving you plenty of flexibility, depending on your system and preferences. The 1 millisecond response time ensures ultra-low input lag, and paired with GSYNC and FreeSync, you get tear-free gameplay even in intense action scenes. In terms of setup, the monitor is hassle-free. It comes with all necessary cables, including HDMI and DisplayPort, and the installation process is straightforward. The metal stand is stable and stylish, and the slim bezels give it a premium feel. Overall, the INNOCN 25G2S is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-performance gaming monitor without breaking the bank. It offers a stellar combination of speed, resolution, design, and eye comfort. Whether you're a professional gamer, a casual player, or someone who needs a high-quality display for work, this monitor delivers an immersive and satisfying experience. If you want a 2025 monitor that is fast, sharp, versatile, and gamer-focused, the INNOCN 25G2S is definitely worth considering.